Security dealers. What worked for your business 5 years ago just doesn't work anymore. In a rapidly advancing industry like security technology, you have two choices: do nothing and get left behind, or adapt and stay relevant. But there's a hack to this. Uniview's cutting-edge technology, combined with Nelly's dealer-centric partnership, is like an engine propelling your business forward and helping you stay up to date. How does this work?
Let's take a look.
Relatively unheard of a few years ago, Uniview is now the third largest CCTV manufacturer in the world. How did this happen? Well, Uniview stayed relevant when others did not. An outstanding research and development department keeps Uniview's products at the cutting edge of technology. NDAA compliance puts Uniview ahead of the pack as they were perfecting new chipsets and product lines, while others were just getting on board. Uniview's investment in security dealers brings you features like competitive pricing, a flexible selection of products, and a protected sales channel. Let Uniview transform your business model, bringing you a healthier profit margin with less pressure. And when you sell Uniview, it only makes sense to partner with the nation's foremost Uniview provider, Nelly Security. At Nelly's, we're more than a distributor. Yes, we move boxes from place to place just like everyone else. Granted, we move them faster, with more consistent stock availability and with free shipping, but we do so much more than that. We are laser focused on security dealers to the point that we consider ourselves to be your business partners. We want you to succeed with Uniview, so we are committed to offering you the best Uniview pricing out there. In fact, if you find pricing lower than ours, we'll match it. Our dealer program is full of tools to help you get more out of your security business. We help you build your own security brand with your own model numbers, and we offer tons of resources for education and networking. Whether you prefer ordering online or on the phone, whether you need custom quotes or net 30 terms, if you need to make a return or take advantage of our 3-year warranty on all Uniview products, you'll find that dealing with us is always easy and hassle-free. And best of all, there's our customer service. Now, obviously, we're going to tell you that we have the best customer service in the industry because everyone says that. So instead, we'll just let our customers do the talking for us. When you want to stay at the front of the current, you can row your boat gently down the stream, or you can fly. Uniview and Nelly Security can make that difference for you, propelling your business forward and giving you the tools that you need to stay relevant and to stay competitive. It's easy and free to get started, so you have nothing to lose. Sign up today and experience the difference for yourself.